What if I told you there was a muscle car so powerful, so fast, that it actually got banned from racing events? That car is none other than the legendary 1969 Yenko Camaro. Today, we're going to talk about why this car is one of the most iconic, rarest, and fastest muscle cars ever built, and the insane story behind how it got banned. So buckle up, because this is a ride you don't want to miss. Now, before we dive in, you might be wondering, what makes the 1969 Yenko Camaro so special? Well, for starters, the Yenko Camaro was a modified version of Chevrolet's already famous Camaro, but this wasn't just any modification. This car was tuned by the legendary performance dealer Don Yenko, known for taking ordinary muscle cars and turning them into full-throttle beasts. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a car that can do things the factory version could only dream of? So, what makes this car stand out in a world full of muscle cars? To start, let's talk about the engine. While the stock 1969 Camaro came with a range of engines, the Yenko Camaro was upgraded with a 427 cubic inch V8 engine that could produce around 450 horsepower, making it a serious contender in the muscle car wars. But here's the thing, Yenko didn't just add power. He made sure the car was balanced, tuned for maximum performance, and packed with upgrades that made it not just fast, but also incredibly capable on the track. That 427 V8 was a monster, and it pushed this car to speeds that were unheard of at the time. Now you might be wondering, why did a car so awesome get banned? It all started with the sheer performance of the Yenko Camaro. This car wasn't just fast, it was setting records, and that made it a threat to other cars on the track. In fact, the Yenko Camaro's dominance was so overwhelming that it caught the attention of racing sanctioning bodies like the NHRA. And guess what? In 1969, they decided to ban the Yenko Camaro from racing events. Why? Because it was simply too fast for the competition. The car's speed and performance put it in a league of its own, and the racing world wasn't quite ready for that kind of competition. Isn't it crazy to think that a car could be too fast for its time? But that's exactly what happened with the 1969 Yenko Camaro. Its performance was so impressive that it outclassed many of the cars it was competing against, forcing organizers to take action. It was both a blessing and a curse. While it solidified the Yenko Camaro as an elite performer, it also meant that the car couldn't race in certain events anymore. But of course, the ban didn't hurt the car's reputation. If anything, it only added to the mythos surrounding the Yenko Camaro. Here was a car that was so powerful it had to be restricted. How many cars can say that? This mystique, combined with its rarity, only 2 out of 1 Yenko Camaros were ever built, has made it one of the most sought-after collector's items in the muscle car world. Prices for these cars today can reach well over $1 million, which speaks volumes about just how legendary this car has become. So why does this car still command such high value today? It's about more than just the power and speed. It's the history behind it, the story of a car that pushed the boundaries of performance and was too much for the racing world to handle. It's a car that represents an era of raw power, muscle, and American automotive engineering at its peak. It's a rare gem in the world of muscle cars, one that continues to capture the imagination of car collectors and enthusiasts around the world. So, what do you think?
Is the 1969 Yenko Camaro the most legendary muscle car ever built? Does the fact that it was banned from racing events make it even more iconic? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you loved learning about this rare, high-performance
piece of history, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the world of classic cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.